Music is linked to emotional limbic part of the brain, as is visual arts. Multimedia as a storytelling tool enables you, the visitor, to participate in Rosa's experience.
I'm doing this project for more or less 3 years, since 2017. I continue this project because the Survivor of 65 community has been so open to me. After I do some interviews with each survivor and read again and again about my own country history, our social and political situation has been repeated, pretty much in the same condition. In fact, it seems happen all over the world. It always polarized to right and left. Meanwhile, there are always some people who become the victim, just like the survivors that I met. Most of the survivors is still living in stigma until now, as the government doesn't do the reconcile. Some of them, for instance, Dialita, the women choir, carry out cultural reconciliation in their own way. I hope this project will make us learn from the past.
The people in the images look at us in the eye. They are survivors and they try to heal. They could be from our turbulent Balkans, where conflicts of the past still unearth the dead and abuse the living. But they are from Indonesia. Aku percaya means I believe, sings the choir. The music is rhythmical, meditative. Their singing is as persistent as empathy, community, and love. As persistent as nature that heals all suffering that humans have inflicted on it or on each other.